Yeah, can you lift the lid for just a second? I want to see what's in there. All right, so you put all that in there, and then I push on this. All right, am I doing it hard enough?
Faster.
Harder?
Faster.
Deeper?
Harder. Let's go. Faster. Harder.
I'm trying to do it
It's
deeper.
supposed to be faster. It's not fast enough. Faster.
Putting it in.
Faster. 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 Faster.
Oh my God.
Okay. I think that's
Oh. And what is this? A salad spoon?
That's all the water out. Or a lot.
All right. And then we just put the salad. Honey, you can sneeze on the salad. I trust you. She puts all these beautiful leaves, minus the bugs and dirt, right there. And then, so this takes all the water off of it?
Wrap it all up.
Are we gonna make a seizure salad?
No.
Wow, look how delicious it looks. What's that right there? There's a bug.
What?
Oh, just
Brown.
some brown stuff. Wow, looks pretty darn good. And we do it in layers, I guess.
You need a big bag.
I know, this is gonna be, that's a lot of, how come so much salad?
It came like that. This is the first time I bought non-organic lettuce.
It looks
because of
better
what
than
I
reg-
read. It
looks-
actually looks better and crisper and everything else. But it was a big one, and it was cheap at Costco.
All right, so we got non-organic this time, and
all
it looks
this
better
organic shit.
and more tastier. All right, and that's how that works. You just pour it out. And Bob's your uncle. Let her dry out. All right, that's how you do salad. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos where we do stuff like this. Peace out.
Shell.
She rolled it all up and sticks it in here and then puts it in the refrigerator in a Marshall's bag. And then we make salad out of that later.